Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update SQL Server CDC jobs for incremental warehouse loads, complete guide step by step clearly. To update SQL Server Change Data Capture, or CDC, jobs for incremental warehouse loads, begin by opening SQL Server Management Studio. Connect to your SQL Server instance where CDC is enabled. Navigate to the database containing the CDC-enabled tables. Expand the database to view the available objects. Locate the SQL Server agent in the Object Explorer. Expand the SQL Server agent to find the Jobs folder. Identify the CDC job you wish to update. Right-click on the job and select Properties from the context menu. In the Job Properties window, examine the existing steps of the job. Click on the Steps page to view the individual job steps. Here, you can add, edit, or modify the steps involved in the job. To edit a step, select it and click on the Edit button. In the Edit Job Step window, review the command that retrieves the changed data. Ensure the query correctly references the CDC functions for capture. Adjust the query as needed to align with your updated warehouse schema. If necessary, add new steps to accommodate additional processing tasks. For new steps, click on the Add button and define the step's name and command. After making changes, click OK to save modifications to the job steps. Next, navigate to the Schedules page within the Job Properties window. Review the job schedule to ensure it aligns with your new incremental load strategy. Adjust the frequency and timing as needed to optimize data refresh rates. Once satisfied with the schedules and steps, click OK to save the entire job configuration. To test the updated job, right-click on the job and select Start Job at Step. Monitor the job execution for any errors or issues during the run. If the job completes successfully, your updates are validated. For troubleshooting, check the job history log for detailed information on any failures. Finally, verify that the incremental warehouse loads reflect the updated changes made through CDC. Regularly monitor job performance to ensure data consistency and integrity post-update. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.